Hello everyone, our lesson for today is all about the different types of landforms. The earth is the habitat of all living and non-living things, and the earth is composed of land and water. Alright, now let's talk about the volcano first. It is a mountain shape or it is an elevated landform that has a crater on top, in which where the lava came out. Volcano also release ash, gases, and steam and hot liquid rock that is called lava. So here are the examples of volcano. One of them is what we call the Mount Apo. So Mount Apo located in the island of Mindanao in Cotabato. Apo volcano is the highest mountain in the Philippines, and its name means master or grandfather of all volcano. There are no non-historic eruptions, but the volcano is considered still active. Next, we have the Mount Mayon. Mount Mayon is one of the Philippines' most active volcanoes. It is located at the province of Albay in Bicol region. It is admired for its symmetrical and a classic cone shape. Mayon is the most active volcano in the Philippines, erupting over 47 times in the past 500 years. Next, we have the Taal volcano. Taal volcano is located at the Batangas but much visible in Tagaytay. Taal volcano is among the most active volcanoes in the Philippines, with more than 30 reported eruption. This recent volcano erupted last January 12, 2020. Next, we have the mountain. We can describe the mountain as a big and tall stand, and it is considered as the highest landform in the land, or we call this one an elevated highland form. Mountains generally are understood to be larger than hills. Here are the example of mountain in the world. We have here the Mount Everest. Mount Everest is located across China and Nepal border, and it is the Earth's highest mountain. Next, we have the K2 Mountain. The K2 Mountain is the second to the Mount Everest as the highest mountain found in Pakistan. Next, we have the hills. This landform is an elevated land, but it is smaller than a mountain, and it has rounded peak. Next, we have the Chocolate Hills. Chocolate Hills is located in Bohol. And did you know that there are more than 1,000 hills in Bohol? Its color is the main reason it's called Bohol Chocolate Hills. In the rainy season, the grass blanketing the hills in the Philippines that gives them a soft and lush appearance. While in the summer, the vegetation dies off and turns to a chocolatey brown, giving them their names. So again, let us review the three landforms that we talked about. We have the volcano, the mountain, and hills. And that's the end of our lesson for today. Thank you for listening. See you next time.